Okay, so you created all of your icons to create a pattern with that represents you. So now what we're going to do is we're going to look in Mad Pattern folder that I gave you, and you can look at the cheat sheet, and this will show how these patterns reflect and give you a little idea of a pattern like this. So I selected this P31M that I'm going to work with. So what you do is you come in here and you click on P31M and that opens up. So then what I did is it opens up here, and if you click on your layers panel it comes in like this, and what you want to do is you don't need this info here because we're not going to save for web because it makes it look bitmappy. So I have some other directions that I'm going to show you there. So just turn off the info, and this is what the template looks like, but we need to get to the tile that we're going to work with, so let's turn off the icon. So now this is where you're going to create, and this is where the seamless tile will be that we'll end up saving. So in order for this to work, you have to open up the clipped artwork and see the P31, that's the one you selected. So we need to unlock that and then click down here and see, I just want to show you two. Okay, we're just going to unlock that, and then that's where we're going to start creating our layer. Okay, so to make things go faster, I went a little bit ahead and I started to drag my icons onto here, and then what happens is it automatically starts to create a tile as you're working. So and this is how that tile would be like so. So let me give you an example. We will take one more icon that I didn't use yet, and let's just drag that right onto the tile. And so see how that begins to come in? I'll zoom out so you can see. Okay, so now if I don't like them overlapping like such, I can just drag that down, and now it'll create like that. Or I could rotate it and look like so. So let's say I like that. Okay, so that's what I did as I dragged all of these onto this tile. If I kind of like this because it shows that it's a cross, but if I were to drag that off like this, it would begin to overlap. Okay, or I could just do it, you know, a little bit. Okay, so if you, this one's a little bit bigger to pick. So see how the shapes can start to create other shapes. Okay? And yes, I could have drawn on these, but I'd rather you use your own shapes. So, like I could just put a little filler dot right here and see how it creates little dots. Okay? So now we have this finished, and so now we want to save this. So better hurry, I'm on low battery. Well, what I'm going to do is stop here.